We sneeze because our body is trying to protect the respiratory system. Sneezing is a reflex that happens when something irritates the inside of your nose. Here's how it works. Irritation starts. Dust, pollen, smoke, cold air, or even pepper can irritate the sensitive lining inside your nose. Sometimes, infections like a cold or flu also trigger it. Signal to the brain. Tiny nerves in your nose sense the irritation and send a message to the brain sneeze center in the medulla, part of the brainstem. Reflex action. Your brain quickly coordinates your chest muscles, diaphragm, throat, and eyes. That's why your eyes often close when you sneeze. Air blast. A sudden, powerful burst of air comes out of your nose and mouth at high speed, sometimes over 100 km/h, to force out the irritant. Right pointing finger emoji. So, sneezing is your body's natural